Hello there, how are you doing? Now in this video we're going to cover methods. Okay, so we had properties. Properties are like variables. Okay, now let's talk about methods. Methods are like functions. In fact, they are functions, not like methods are functions. Okay, so let's create our very first method. So what I would like to do is I would like to print out some kind of a printable title that would say something like Harry Potter and the Magicians by Ryan Dingle or something like that. Okay, so let's create a function that would do that. Just concat these two properties. Okay, so let's name it. Let's create a function, and we always need to add either private, public, or protected. Okay, so we're not worried about that. We just use public now. So public function, and I'm going to name this function get printable title. Okay, now what we're going to do is we create a variable result which will hold the result. Okay, so result, what I would like to return using this function is the title by the author. Okay, so how do I point within this class? I'm within this class and I would like to access this property. So how do I do that? I do that using this variable. Okay, so this represents the object itself. Okay, so this object itself, so we can access the properties, these ones, or the methods, the one I'm actually creating now. So all these properties and methods are accessible to this variable. Okay, so what I would like to do is I would like to get the title. So simply I use this and then title, and then I'm going to concatenate. Okay, and then add this dash in the middle, and then again concatenate, and then write the author name. So this title, in fact not dash, let's say by, this title by this author. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward, but just knowing this helps understand it better. Okay, so this has the access to the properties and methods of the class itself. Okay, this function, what it will do is it will return the result, simple as that. Okay, but let's add a simple logic as well. What if the books are not available, right? So let's add a simple logic here. If this available, okay, so this available, let's say not available, using this operator. Okay, so if not available, what we would like to do is we would like to say set this result variable equal to the string not or not available. If not available, then what we would do is we just concatenate. Okay, so if not available, we will get to see the title by author is not available. Okay, and finally we need to return as well. Okay, return the results. Okay, so function, otherwise it has no meaning. If there is no return, function will do nothing. Available. Okay, simple as that. Let's create another topic, another method as well, one more. Okay, so this one, let's name it get copy. Okay, another method. Okay, so public function get copy. Okay, so here also we check if it is available, we decrement by 1. Okay, so if this available is smaller than 1, that means we have nothing left. Okay, so in that case what we want to do is we want to return false. Okay, otherwise what we want to do is we want to decrement the availability by 1. Okay, so this available minus minus. Okay, and finally return true. Okay, So we have two methods. First method will print out and then print out the printable title, and then this method will check. So if it is available, if available count is less than 1, then it will return false. Otherwise, it will decrement the availability. So if we have 10, it will make it 9, and then it will return true. Awesome. Okay, so why don't we test these methods out? In fact, what happened here? Okay, return false. So what we can do, so let's say if Harry Potter, and then we say get copy. Okay, so if it is available, we will echo out, here is your copy of, and let's concatenate the title, Harry Potter title. Okay, and then let's add a line break. Okay, if copy is not available, then we will echo out, sorry, it's gone. Okay, so let's see what we get here on the screen. Refresh, and as you can see, here is a copy of Harry Potter and the Magicians. Awesome. Now let's say we had the availability we set to 10. Let's say we have 0. Let's see what we get here. Save it, come here, refresh, sorry, it's gone. Okay, so these methods we created. So this is how we work. It's pretty straightforward. We create a class, we add the properties, we add the methods, and then we instantiate. So this is your introduction to classes, properties, and methods. Okay, now this is not the best way of instantiating. Okay, so imagine if you had to instantiate 100 different books, and you would be writing 100 times like this, so that would be terrible, right? So there is a better solution, and that is constructor. Okay, so one of the magic methods, and that is what we're going to cover in the next video. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.